Hello, hello, hello. It is finally here. The solo debut of Kim Nam Joo. I'm really excited. Fun fact is produced also by Idol's Soyeon, which makes it more interesting and awesome. I'm excited, so here we go. Okay. Alright, okay. The visuals are gonna kill me. Alright. Ooh. Alright. See? That's really cool. Whoa. Wow. Oh, see, man. Her visual's gonna kill me, man. Woo. Whoa, whoa, okay. Alright. Is she gonna cut her hair? Okay. My bird. Woo! Damn, man. Wow. Woo! This is such a powerful solo debut, man. Woo! The lights and how it matches the choreo. Oh. Okay, okay. Woo! Alright. Alright. Woo! That's pretty cool. Damn. She's killing it, man. She's killing it. Alright, another. Woo! Oh, man. Woo! I just. Too much to handle, man. Okay. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Three. Woo! Oh, damn. Oh, man. This doesn't look like a solo debut, man. Woo! Alright. Oh. Playing with water. It looks good in it, man. Okay. Oh, see? I just can't handle too much. Ooh. Oh, she's really cool. You can really see the passion. Alright. Bird. Oh, man. Goosebumps. Okay. Wow. That's a mini garden. Alright. See, oh man, there's too much visuals, man. Woo! Okay. Too much from Your Highness. Oh, see? Woo! That's just really cool. Okay. So that was it for Kim Nam Joo. Oh man. Wow. She just killed it, man. That was just spectacular. I really enjoyed it a lot. Congratulations to Kim Nam Joo for her debut. That was amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like. See you again next time. Peace out.